Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we got a quick unboxing for you that I wanted to share with you guys. First, I just want to thank all the channel members. Thank you guys so much, and welcome any of you that haven't had a chance yet. If you're so inclined, if you'll hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon, it'll really help out the channel, and it will notify you when I release new videos, unboxings, go live, and the like. I'm going to use my little Amazon titanium box opener or utility knife that I have started to use as a kind of box opener. Let's see what we got here from C. Reisner, TPK, Traditional Pocket Knives. Invoice. Some stickers. Let's get our swag out of here. Divo Nip sticker. My invoice. All right. And then some promotional swag on the Bexer. And others. All right, let's get this out of the way. So we got a Divo Nip sticker, which gives away what we're looking at here. Yes, I do have a problem. Happy Thanksgiving, TPK, Traditional Pocket Knives. One of my favorite go-tos. I've got another package inbound from these guys that I picked up, an exclusive. But guys, this knife is probably no surprise what it is. It's the TPK Traditional Pocket Knives exclusive nip and black titanium and black S90V blade. I've got an affection for nips. I have started collecting them. Whoops, that was me, and I cut myself. Look at that. Very, very sharp. Give me 1 second, guys. Get my new skin. You weren't expecting that, were you? All right. Paint that on there. Get it where I'm not just dripping blood. I am dripping blood, but very sharp. I know what I need. I need a Band-Aid. Hold on, kids. Again, it's not bad. It's just in a spot. So that's kind of a different type of struggle bus video, isn't it? But I love that I have christened my mat. Let's get the blood off there. Just a little tiny Band-Aid. Boom. And boom. All right. Not the greatest Band-Aid in the world, but I have it close. We will continue on. That was kind of a fail, but also a testament to how sharp this little knife is. S90V, hollow ground blade, super, super slicey and pokey. And like I said, guys, I have been on a nip tear. And I have bought every single one of these because I am a fan. So yeah, guys, that is the Traditional Pocket Knives. That's the White Mountain Knives exclusive, and I switched out the hardware. That's the Divo Knives Purple Nurple. There are some Jack Sparrow carbon fibers over at Nacelle, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the Traditional Pocket Knives blacked out nip. A little drop of BLOOD. But just a little banger, guys. I'll do a bearing swap on this. But yeah, guys, just a short unboxing of the Divo Nip, the TPK traditional pocket knives exclusive. I think it's a gorgeous little knife. I love the blacked out blade. I love the handles. I just think it looks really stealth, right? You can see the blade steel right there, even though it's a black blade. Done very, very well. So guys, I appreciate you checking out the channel. I appreciate you watching the content. I would just ask if you would please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.